Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com. In today's video, real quick, I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student, Shikhar. So welcome, Shikhar, to the freelancer course. Great to have you on board. I really appreciate you joining the course. I think freelancing is an exciting opportunity these days. So if you scroll down, if you see, if you open the newest shareholder letter from Upwork. Upwork is the biggest freelancer marketplace on the world in the world. You see, like, there are many case studies of freelancers who are really successful. Like this guy making more than $1 million on Upwork. This guy making more than $1.5 million on Upwork. And how do these guys do it? Actually, they offer great value for clients. It's that simple, right? They offer more value for clients then they take in payment. This is like, and that's why clients hire them again and again and again. The secret for those type of freelancers is that they have lots and lots of repeat business. So this is one freelancer I found quite interesting, because I would say he's like it's almost a beginner level freelancer, right? But he has a high job success score, 100%, and is top rated, and he makes healthy $35 per hour. So it's not like rocket science type of rates, but I think it's great for beginners to actually get paid $35 per hour. So when I was working at university as a doctoral researcher, I earned maybe $20 per hour, right, for working for the government. So the contract was really like not very attractive, right? And I would actually have appreciated if I could work on Saturdays 10 hours or so, making $350 on a Saturday. I mean, this would be great for me already, right? So then later I found more and more gigs that paid much better, towards 100, even $150 per hour. But I started with these rates, and it was really exciting for me. So, and this is something that most Python developers can do if they have like mastered the beginner level in Python. So especially now, Shikhar, as you're joining the freelancer course, you will get all the basic Python skills you need to offer your services as an expert in web scraping. So I want to show you this one. This is from the Thinkster Computer Science Academy that is free for all Thinkster freelancer students. The course is called Web Scraping with Beautiful Soup. It is held by our Thinkster creator, I should say, Shubham, who actually gives you like an introduction into the web scraping library, so extracting information from the web, Beautiful Soup in Python. First, actually, Shubham also gives a lot of like this fundamental understanding of web scraping. So he actually tells you how the web works, how HTML files work and look like, right? Because if you are doing web scraping, you need to extract data from HTML files. So you need to load the HTML files into Python, and then within your Python script you can use Beautiful Soup to actually extract information. You are using the request library to access this HTML page from the web. Okay, so you understand HTML, you understand the request library to get HTML documents from the web to access websites. Then you use Beautiful Soup to access information out of the HTML files you have loaded into your Python script. So he actually did a great job actually explaining the basics of web scraping. If you have finished this course, again, Shikhar, this course is free for you. If you have finished this course, you can definitely work these type of gigs, right, for $35 per hour as a web scrapper, polishing your skills, creating this highly practice first type of skill level from freelancers, actually, so the skills of practitioners, because you are polishing those type of skills that are needed to earn money in practice. These are the most important skills, right? You are not polishing your, say, academic skills or skills you will never need in practice. You are polishing only those skills that are needed. So you finish the basic Python course within the Thinkster freelancer course framework, and then you go to the academy, finish the web scraping course, and then you could already offer your services as like for $35 per hour. So it's pretty simple. Good. So this is really exciting stuff. I think this would be one opportunity to thrive on Upwork, to get started making money as you learn, as you grow, as you build your profile, get your first ratings from clients, Shikhar. So if you, for example, look at this guy, he already has like a couple of freelancers giving him ratings, right? And first feedback, right? And then you can also build your portfolio of real gigs you have finished. So for real clients, right? I mean, this is just actually super, super valuable. You can build your whole business, your whole career on top of the testimonials, the experiences, and the client feedback you obtain by finishing those first type of gigs. And then you can use it to obtain higher and higher hourly ratings over time as you build your skills. So I think it's a really, really attractive niche. Freelancing is on the rise. Freelancing is here to stay. It will only increase in the upcoming decades. So you can build your career around these type of web frameworks or websites such as Upwork, which is the world's biggest freelancer marketplace. We will discuss all of this in the Fix the Freelancer course, so don't hesitate to also check it out. Of course, as you have joined the course. Anyways, if you have any questions, then don't hesitate to ask. You can contact me in the Python Mastermind group, for example. I'm active in the group, so I check it out once per week. Try to answer all questions that concern me, but I mean, the group is there from Fix the Freelancer course students to Fix the Freelancer course students, so we help each other reach higher level of success. So I think it's a great community where business owners, small startup owners in the programming space help each other to reach higher levels of success. Anyways, thanks for joining the course and see you in the course. Bye.